just love my animals like wildlife. And all my life, I've been out there saving them, rescuing them, nurturing them, getting them back into the wild, saving them from potentially deadly situations where their life would have been lost if it wasn't for me. And how do I get back? Mostly down to try to kill me. And to tell you the truth, reticulated pythons are no exception to that rule.
Darren's putting that container over one of the other python's head to keep him quiet.